Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 4 ways to use the limit, skip, and sort methods in the MongoDB database. Number 1, to select all the documents in a collection, you can use the find method with empty parentheses. To limit the number of records in the result set, you can use the limit method. Passing 0 to the limit method won't limit any number of records. However, if I pass 2, then the result set will be limited to 2 documents. Number 2, use the skip method to skip the given number of documents in the result set. On line 7, I'm limiting the result set to 2 documents but skipping the first one. On line 8, I'm limiting the result set to 2 documents and skipping the first 4 documents. This will result in only 1 document being returned because right now the collection only has 5 documents. Number 3, use the sort method to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. On line 11, I'm first using the limit method to limit the number of records to 4, then I'm skipping the first document, and finally I'm using the sort method to sort the result set by APN in ascending order. Last but not the least, number 4, you can use projection in conjunction with limit, skip, and sort methods to restrict the output to certain fields. On line 14, I'm first using the find method to restrict the output to APN and county fields, then limiting the number of documents to 4, skipping 1, and finally sorting by APN in descending order. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.